Hey everyone, it has been some time. I know everyone was asking where Angie was at and the kids. Well,
I'm here. I don't feel like it's been a while, guys, since I popped up on here, but I think it's because the kids started school and it's just been crazy right now. So today we just wanted to go ahead and do a quick video saying hi and showing you some goodies that we didn't even get to share. Or was it a few weeks ago that got sent our way, and that we need to plant.
But right now it's the perfect time because right now is when we need to plant these.
Yes.
But before we continue any further, it's always been our intention to put videos out as regular as possible. But life happens, things happen, and things are a little bit more important. We have a senior this year in high school.
We do.
And so a lot of our efforts are going into spending more time and enjoying the time that we're going to have right now.
It's also, we're going to be doing a move pretty soon.
Yep.
So right now, we've been in the garden actually a whole lot. I know Ambrose is working, but when he's at work, I'm out in the garden. I'm here at home, so I get to do what the things I need to do to take care of the garden.
Yep.
But we've started to pass on plants.
Yeah.
Get rid of things. And we will do a video on that.
Yeah,
pretty soon. That's a whole separate other thing.
Yeah, and like I said, we want to document everything. Things get busy, things get crazy. Like Angie said, I will be retiring soon. We will be moving. Whether I choose to work after I retire or not, it's going to be both beneficial to us and to you guys because we will have a new home and we will be able to do a lot more gardening than what we wanted to do here because we will get to have a permanent home. And when I say that, it's a setting of what we want to do as far as gardening, and we'll have just that opportunity and time to do more things.
Well, and I think that deserves a video on its own to
definitely
talk about, so we can really go into detail of why we're looking forward, to the next chapter in our life, of getting a new home and everything. There's just so much going on right now. It's also a process of preparing ourselves, even though it's still about a year till we get. Well, not a year, a few months. And you need to kind of mentally prepare yourself, the family. So right now, that's what we're doing. That's what I'm trying to do, not just the home. And we start very early. We start very early to start preparing for a move. Because a move is huge when you're going to move your house, your family, everybody. I mean, you move from house. It is a huge thing. But for now, we're still planting and we're still enjoying the garden. I did want to do a tour, which is coming up. We just haven't had the time to go ahead and do that. Ambrose is the only one that does the editing around here and carries around the camera. I'll do camera work, but I'll do with my phone. I'll do, photos and stuff on Instagram and Facebook. But let's go ahead and share right now what we received not long ago.
I'll let you go ahead and share those.
I'm excited because, first of all, I wasn't so big into daylilies, and now I just want daylilies, I think, everywhere.
This year has been it's been wonderful to see the daylilies that we do have growing, and knowing that we don't have the space for them. It's something that brings us excitement and joy because we will possibly be able to get to do that in the future.
First off, a big thank you to Michigan Bulbs. They're who sent our way these beautiful, beautiful bulbs that we're going to plant pretty soon.
Yes.
And I can't wait to see this. And like I was saying, daylilies are something that really became something big in our garden that I love so much. So what we have here that they send our way is one called Wineberry Candy Jumbo Daylily.
Yeah.
So I'm going to, because I really haven't even, looked too much into them. And I know it has a really pretty color. And it reminds me of one that we have up front that you have seen already. Let me see. I know I was trying to, and me with my phone. Okay, so this one, gosh, the color is so pretty. It has like a coral look with, I'm going to say in the middle, it has, and Amber's will be putting the pictures up of it. They describe it as soft peach pink, lightly ruffled petals, feature rich wine purple eye zones for a striking color contrast.
Yeah.
And a sweet perfume.
Yeah.
So it's scented.
That's one thing that I'm excited about is getting daylilies that are actually scented because I know we haven't really paid attention to the ones that we have.
I haven't, and I think it's because where we have it,
Yeah,
where we have
they're
them.
kind of tucked up into the front bed there, so we really don't get close enough to smell them all the time. But we do take beautiful photos of them, and this is something exciting to know that they have a fragrance because,
Oh,
you
it's
know,
so pretty.
our whole goal is to have a beautiful big garden and stuff just about anything we can. Just kidding, we won't stuff anything that we can. We probably will, but
Bad advice right there.
Yes.
Don't stuff anything.
no, we're gonna we you know we have
He's playing.
this idea of what we're gonna do, and you know here it's not, I wouldn't say a mix, a mumbo jumbo of stuff that we have here. Is just we work with the space that we have and we do the things that we can.
Yeah.
That's something that's great about what we're doing here is we get to learn and share that knowledge with you guys. And I think once we're able to get some more stuff like this, it'll be awesome.
I'm looking for the next one because we already opened the box and we know what's in here. So as Ambrose was talking, I'm looking, to see the information. Once we plant all this, we will go ahead and talk more about the plant. I just want to go ahead and share because I'm learning too what the plants, what they are and what they do, what they look like. So this here is an iris.
Yep.
So it's called Immortality Reblooming Bearded Iris. It is pure white, accented with light yellow beards.
Yeah.
Its delicate ruffles and sweet fragrance make it a true classic. So this one, though, before
Go ahead.
I'm excited. I want to let you know this before I forget. I knew this because I've seen it. I've seen it in other people's gardens, photos. So I was excited about this one. So this one is it blooms in late spring and then again in early fall. So it's a reblooming iris. So
Yes.
I don't really know much about iris because I've never planted iris. So this will be our first iris.
Yes.
To plant
yes.
in our own garden. So I'm excited about that.
Yep, and even though that one does look dry, guys, we just need to rehydrate it. They give you a pamphlet here. It gives you a planting guide of what to do with all these right here. Again, this one came, it's pretty moist already. That's a daylily. It's gonna be fine like that. And then you get this one that's a little bit more dry, but again, there's instructions on how to rehydrate these guys because they're dormant woody plants, and it tells you everything you need to know here, how far to dig, how to put it in there.
And I waited
Everything.
a bit to plant them because one thing I did hear or I read was that it was supposed to there was supposed to
Yes.
be cooler temperature, especially at night. So like I said, I don't really know much about it yet. I'm reading over things and researching. So you guys know anything about this, go ahead and leave comments and advice and everything because I'm pretty sure everybody is, starting their fall planting already.
Yeah, if you got any tips and tricks, both containers and in the ground, definitely let us know because we're not sure yet. Are we doing containers or in the ground?
I'm pretty sure we're doing containers just because of the big move.
So there you have it. If you have tips on containers on how to plant these irises and daylilies, definitely let us know. We actually have one more daylily that's coming, I believe. That one hasn't made it here yet.
I didn't know that.
Yes, there's one more coming. We haven't gotten that one yet, and we'll show that one in a future video. But it's going to be 2 daylilies and that iris. And I know I started talking before we finished talking about the bearded iris, but I'm excited to see that white bearded iris because we did watch a video on it. I want to say a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. We saw a
remember.
video on it, and I would love to have a pasture of these bearded irises. They just look beautiful, and then the scent that they were describing. It's amazing.
It's just so pretty. And like I said, I've always loved iris, but I've never grown one.
Yeah.
So seen it, in other gardens and everything. I think they're stunning, but just never had one. So I'm excited to plant this one.
Yep.
And we are definitely taking those with us for sure.
Definitely.
So, we are starting to slowly clean our way out of here.
It's a bittersweet thing. Just like our last move, only this one's a little bit more bitter because this is going to be our last move. And we'll talk about that in a future video because we can talk about it all day long.
But we just wanted to check in with you guys. This is really what this video is about too. We're still here. We're still doing things. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of... I don't even know yet what I'm going to plant up for fall up front. It's just been that busy. By now, I had everything planned, and I haven't this year. It's been a very, very different year.
Yeah.
Ambrose, I love that he's coming out and doing the Friday photo pics that he's doing. The girls come out and help him. Once in a while, I try to come in there, and we do those videos so there could be something that keeps going our YouTube channel as well.
Yeah, and like we said, I mean, we do want to make it regular, but it's a lot of prep to come out here and do these videos. And like Angie said, I do the editing.
Yeah.
And right now, with me coming close to retirement, there's a lot of stuff going on, medical stuff, paperwork that I need to do.
4 kids, guys, and there's 4 kids in
then
a family. You
school,
know, it's big,
so,
and okay.
There's a lot to focus on.
Let's wrap it up. We weren't supposed to make
Yeah.
it long. Okay, we will be doing videos pretty soon. He's gonna be home for a whole week.
Yes.
So we're gonna be doing videos. So that way we can start cleaning up the area, and I am planning to still have a spring garden. So fingers crossed that we get all that done and we're able to still enjoy our last spring here. Okay.
So yeah, guys, that's it for the video. We just want to pop in here real quick and say what you guys are doing and how we're doing.
Yeah,
because
please.
We would love to hear from you guys what's going on right now.
What is everybody
towards the end of the
planting
season.
and doing? And you know, once again, thank you, Michigan Bulbs.
Yes.
So happy to get those, and you know, especially a new plant, the iris, that we're going to be able to experience.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. Okay.
So
You done?
Yep, that's going to do it for the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.